Welcome friends, welcome to my dtube channel. How are you all my dear friends? I hope all are well. I hope you are having a great day and I am also good. And you know I am day.And Islam from Tangal district of Bangladesh. Friends, we can enjoy life in the middle of village nature if we want. How? Let's talk about it. Friends, we see most of the natural beauty inside the village. We see many natural places inside the village and see the beauty of nature. Village soils, roads, agriculture land, green nature, river banks are all blessing of nature. This nature of village is a blessing for us. Friends, as far as I know, every village in the world has such nature. And if we want, we can enjoy the life in this village nature. Because the nature of village is free from noise and pollution. Your mind will be refreshed when you visit the natural places of village. The green nature of village will refresh your mind. Your brain will be fresh in the nature of village because you will get healthy oxygen in the nature of village. Friends, village nature will cure your bad mood. You will get back your childhood in the village nature. Amidst the green nature and agriculture land of village, you will hear the beautiful calls of birds. On the riverside of village, you will see the wonderful natural beauty. In the river, you can see various boats and fishermen fishing. The green nature on both sides of the river will fascinate you. Friends, this natural skins of the village will really fascinate you. This nature of village really refreshed your life and you will be fascinated. Especially in the morning or afternoon, you can enjoy the life by spending time in the nature of village. Friends, I spent time in the village nature every morning and refresh my mind. So I will tell you, go to the nature of village and enjoy the life. It will really change your life and you will become stronger. Thank you so much everyone. Have a nice day and see you again with another vlog. Bye bye.